Hello, good morning from a rainy Switzerland. So today it's raining a lot. I think you can almost hear the wipers of the car going. So काफी बारिश हो रही है. We woke up like fairly early today. By 7 we were out of bed and I made some pasta to pack and cut some fruits. Switzerland के apples बहुत yummy है. बहुत crisp apple है. So I've been eating loads of apples. So we packed everything and now we are out. So Akshay, where are we going?
Right now, first order of the day, we're going to a beautiful lake. Let us tell you more about it once we reach there.
Yes.
This is one of the rainiest days that we've encountered during our vacation here in Switzerland. And I guess rightly so because मेरे को लगता है यूरोप का monsoons typically third week of September से start हो जाता है and then it starts peaking in October. तो इसलिए इतनी बारिश हो रही है. But as Sangeeta said, let's see. We'll try to make the best of the day and see what all we can do and where all we can take you. What have you bought?
I got this like hat, but the best part is look at the lining. I mean, like what? Fleece. And it looks nice. Shall I wear it and
Yes,
show you?
please wear it. So cute. Turn around. Oh, so cute. Are you feeling like a Swiss local now?
I feel like an egg,
Mm-hmm.
but yes,
Okay.
Swiss egg.
नहीं मैं तो ठीक हूँ.
Please हाँफ रहे हो.
अरे तो हाफना तो होगा. लेफ्ट चलते हैं, लेफ्ट में कम लोग हैं. इतना क्लियर पानी है यार. मतलब पूरा नीचे तक you can literally see the.
This is on Instagram में दिखता है.
Hey guys, so since we are at Lake Blausi, I just thought I'll spit some really interesting trivia about this lake. So the lake that you're seeing, it is only 2 days old. Now what I mean by that is the water in this lake is only 2 days old and it's recycled every 2 days because it's fresh water flowing from the mountain top, and it gets recycled every 2 days and it flows out and joins the Kander River, which is about 100 meters away. And the neon color, the blue color of the water comes from the fact that it is all fresh water. The water is so fresh you can actually drink it. right? And
And Akshay, you did try that,
I
right?
did try that. It's fresh. It's crystal clear. In fact, it's like the mineral water we get back in India.
Yeah.
It is so fresh. I can have like gallons of this.
Stop drinking.
And according to our uh, sailor, he believes that if we drink this water, we get more handsome. Have I gotten handsome? Yes, the taste was really good. And other than that, these fishes, by what you're seeing, the fishes that are here, earlier about 8 to 10 years back, they used to have a lot of fishes here, और वो यहाँ fish की farming करते थे. And there used to be like fish farms over here, but about 8 to 10 years ago, they've stopped farming for that fish. And what you're seeing, there's beluga, there's salmon, there's trout, there's a lot of variety of fish inside, and they look really pretty. And they feed the fishes on a daily basis, तो fish को खाना भी मिलते रहता है. And one of the most interesting things with Sangeeta, in fact, you asked our guide, was the tree logs that are there in the lake. We've seen it previously also. How come these are, preserved and they're not rotting and they're not?
Because पानी के अंदर है, तो कैसे?
Exactly, पानी के अंदर है, rot नहीं हो रहा है, वैसे का वैसे ही कैसे है? So apparently the thing to it is that first of all, the logs fall into the lake जब भी आंधी आती है, storm होता है या बहुत बारिश पड़ती है, तो some of these trees they may snap and fall into the lake.
और या फिर जब ओल्ड होते हैं, उन्होंने वो भी बोला कि बहुत
हाँ,
पुराने हो जाते
जब
हैं
बहुत पुराने हो जाते हैं. Now एक बार वो लेक में गिर जाते हैं, then what happens is because the temperature here is so cold, the logs literally freeze. Inside the lake, they become frozen, and the word that our guide used was they become petrified. So they are unable to rot, they are unable to dissolve any of it, and that's why the logs remain as is. And that really adds to the beauty of the lake. As
Yeah.
I'm speaking, I'll pan away to a top shot of the lake, and you'll see so many logs, so many these tree trunks inside the lake. And very interestingly, while this lake doesn't look too deep, because at the banks you can see the bedrock, but right in the center, the depth of the lake is as high as these trees, which is roughly around 15 meters. So काफ़ी deep है यहाँ पे, but the most beautiful part about it is that the fishes swim at the shallow side of the lake, and
एंड वो इतना डीप होकर भी
Yeah,
पूरा दिखता है
पूरा
नीचे
दिखता है
तक, तो
नीचे तक.
लगता ही नहीं है कि डीप है.
इनफैक्ट बैंक्स दिखता है, और जहाँ पे बैंक्स नहीं दिखता है वहाँ पे द वाटर इज प्योर, crystal blue. And right out there where you can see the boat, the banks behind that, which is full of mold and algae, that itself the guide told us is about 10,000 years old. So it's absolutely natural, and it's so pretty. So it's a definite recommendation from us, and if you do come, do take the boat ride. The guide that we had, his name is Mandy, which is short for Manfred. He's been to India several times. He knows Mahatma Gandhi. He knows Krishna. He's been to Vipassana at Igatpuri. Superb guy.
And he gave us his visiting card, and he said when he comes he'll meet us.
Yes.
And he showed us rupees में people have tipped him.
Yes.
So we also tipped him in Indian currency, and he
Yeah.
was so happy.
Yeah, he gave me a hug. So he saw Mahatma Gandhi's photo on the note, and he was like, "One more collection of Mahatma Gandhi for me." So he's a big follower of Mahatma Gandhi. So Lake Blausi is a definite recommendation from both of us. It's a beautiful place to come. We are really happy that today it didn't rain. I mean, it was raining at our B&B, but here it's not raining. It's comfortably pleasant, and just the sights of nature and everything. the blue color of the lake, the neon color of the lake, and just spending time
The
with
green
Manfred.
color, Akshay, more than blue.
More than blue, on the banks, the green color, yes. And just spending time with Manfred, I think it was such a wholesome experience. We wanted to stay here not for longer than 1 hour, but it's already been 2 hours, and there's more that we want to explore, which we will continue doing so. And yeah, so definitely come to Lake Blousy and enjoy yourselves. We will be on our way to explore more of Lake Blousy. See you guys around. हम आए हैं थोड़ी पेट पूजा करने. Price for 7 francs. तो हम फ्रेंच फ्राइज खा रहे हैं.
I love French fries. Yes.
Thank you. How's the midday meal coming along?
We just finished the pasta. We
Huh.
will show it on video.
So basically the lake water drains into this river, essentially.
Yes, yes.
This is the Candor River.
This is coming directly from the frozen Alps.
Yes. Right from top up there somewhere. हाँ, यहाँ एक waterfall दिख रहा है.
Yes.
चलिए फिर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं to our next destination.
Let's go to the next adventure. Give, I'll wear my cap. You're recording me.